Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Pixeled Apps. Do you find yourself being lost while searching about project management sources? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. Today, I'll provide you a link that gives you free project management sources. Let's start with the project management tools. ClickUp, the productivity platform that helps you create, plan, and organize everything. It's free for limited usages. Jira software that helps the team to plan, track, and release great software. Clubhouse, the first project management platform that builds everyone together to build better products. Teamwork.com, that helps you own the big picture. We have a collection of more than 30 project management tools platform. The site contains the link of free and accessible templates like work breakdown structure, sample WS templates, project timeline, weekly timesheet template, to-do list, high-level project estimation, project charter template, and so on. The project management tools links at one place that will make your access more easy, which includes the design and documentation tool, communication tool, productivity tool, password management tools, which includes Houseparty, Mockpolo, WeChat Work, Zoho, Nextiva, Flock, WebEx, the productivity tools like OneNote, Evernote. Storage space is one of the most required component while working on projects, and the website also contains the immediate links to the re-owned storage spaces like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, where all your data can be documented at one site. Some basic ethics that help you as a project manager include the requirements of the customer, and here store the basic requirements. Do have a look at it. SDLC is a process used by the software industry to design, develop, and test high quality softwares such as Scrum, Kanban, Agile, Prism, Waterfall Model, etc. Books cover the basics of project management, including the process of initiation, planning, execution, control, and closeout of all projects. The site contains links of the books. You can closely have a look at it, starting from the basic beginner's guide to the 38 more books that includes all the steps to project management. It also includes the book launched by us, Love, Empathy, and Project Management by Rohit Romle. Take free online project management courses to get the skills you need to advance your career. Learn about project management fundamentals and project management software tools at your own pace with the EDX's wide range of online classes and training courses, and is providing to you the best and most useful links of project management courses and tutorials, which includes from basic beginners guides and tutorials to specialization skills. The links under articles, post, and best practices and communication helps you deal with challenges of project management and in setting clear goals and objectives. The community seminar and people column includes the links which will polish your skills, as you can attend the seminar links and also look at the stories of the people who pursued their career as a project manager. You might be wondering if PMP certification is worth it and would it add value to your career. PMP certification is definitely worth it because it can get you 16% higher salary than non-credentialed professionals. The Essential website contains the links of websites that are used by project managers in their work. Cheat sheets, like the name suggests, a very small compact sheet containing all the formulas, important points, theories to take into exam. And also for programming languages, it's generally a compilation of important syntax, neat tricks, use library functions, etc. Now comes the most important part for you to become a project manager is how you ace the interview. The best project managers are skilled in the areas of strategic thinking, risk management, and communication and interview. So this is about the hub of project management, which includes all the relevant sources. Don't forget to share the site link among your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow our page, and also don't forget to hit the like button. The link for the site is in the description.